In this video, I'll show you how you can redirect your Squarespace domain to another website. So what you need to do once you're on squarespace.com is just make sure you're logged in. And then once you're logged in, click on the three dots and go ahead and go to your profile icon and go ahead and go to your domains. Once you're in your domains, you'll see what domains you have available. Go ahead and click on the one you want to redirect. Then head over to website. So on the left here, you'll see a list of some options. You want to click on website, then scroll down and go to domain forwarding rules. From here, you can click add rule and you can forward from your domain to another domain. So if you want to just forward your root domain, which is going to be like your default domain, go ahead and just click here and type @ This will delete any Squarespace records. So if you have your Squarespace domain set up with a Squarespace store, it's going to delete those records and unlink it. But now you've typed in @ you can then add a URL to forward your domain to. I'm just going to forward my domain just to YouTube. So here is the domain I want to forward it to, youtube.com. There are some advanced settings which you can look over as well, but for this basic tutorial, we're not going to cover those. Once you've entered in your domain, click save. And there you go, the domain forwarding rule has been created. Now this is pending and it should begin within 24 to 48 hours. So just be patient. Now let's just check. I mean, it did say 24 to 48 hours, but sometimes it applies quicker. KnowledgeBaseVideo.com. Again, this isn't set up yet. We need to wait between 24 and 48 hours and then our redirect will be available. If you wanted to delete the redirect moving forward, just go back to this page and click the trash can. That's how to do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.